Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see the June 2025's first 24 questions we will see in this video. So let's start with me. It's a paper second English literature. Are you preparing for the Maharashtra set examination? Then stay tuned with my channel. So let's see the first question. It was the paper which has happened in last June, and maybe in July we have the another paper for the set examination, and there is a good news for the students also. Now from onwards, Pune University or the Maharashtra set examination going to conduct the twice the set examination in a year. Let's see what will happen. So the first question, which of the following play is written by Thomas Shadwell? So the options are here: The Sullen Lovers, The Recruiting Officer, The Double Dealer, or The Plain Dealer. So the correct option here, A, The Sullen Lovers is a correct option. Question number 2, in the sentence, I wanna go home. Wanna is a contracted form. So we know that let me, we said let me की जगह हम let me बोलेंगे है ना. So the let me or the let me, like that, I wanna, I want to. It's an easy question. A option correct again. Question number 3, Raja Rao's novel Kanthapura opens with the invocation of the goddess Durga, Chamundi, Tulja Bhavani, and Kanchenjunga. So the Kanchenjunga or the Kanchenma is the correct. D option is correct here. When we go through the Kanthapura novel, we have the Achaka is the narrator of the story, the old lady, and the Kanchenma is the devotee or the goddess. Next, who wrote the book entitled Musical Elaboration? Options we will see. Option number A, Parth Chatterjee. Option number B, Antonio Gramsci. Option number C, Ranjit Guha. Ranjit Guha related with the subaltern movement. Parth Chatterjee also related with the subaltern movement. Antonio Gramsci also related with the subaltern movement. Okay, so here म्यूजिकल इलेबोरेशन का हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा एडवर्ड साइड. एडवर्ड साइड इज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट हियर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Empirical research deal with the dash. तो empirical research जो है वो some thoughts के साथ deal करेगा, some abstract ideas and theories, some units और some problems. तो correct option हमारा यहाँ पे हो जाएगा some problems. Option number D here is correct answer. Okay. Next question number 6. Roland Barthes' Mythologies in 1957. Roland Barthes' Mythologies, that is 1957, is admittedly ideological critique of. So it is admittedly ideological critique of dash, the sacred tradition of Europe, the predominance of literary theory, and ancient Greek and Roman heritage of French literature. Which one is correct here? So हमारे यहाँ पे correct option जो है वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर द लैंग्वेज सो कॉल्ड मास कल्चर. ऑप्शन नंबर डी अगेन इज करेक्ट हियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं हम. आई थिंक मैं अब वॉइस नहीं जाती. So the option number D is correct here. Give me a minute. Okay, fine. Now the question number 7. Which character in Shakespeare's play speaks the following lines? Cowards die many times before their death. The violin never tastes of death but once. Antony, Macbeth, Richard II or Julius Caesar? So the correct option is D, Julius Caesar. Next question. A periodical, The Rambler, as imitation of the Spectator was started by Alexander Pope, Joseph Addison, Sir Richard Steele, or Samuel Johnson. So here we have the correct option, Samuel Johnson, option number D. Next, the critic associated with the post-colonialism is Terry Eagleton, Jean Lyotard, Jean Baudrillard, Helen Tiffin. So the correct option is here we have that Helen Tiffin. Next question, question number 10. William Somerset Maugham first published work is known as Lisa of Lambeth, Lady Frederick, A Man of Honor, Of Human Bondage. So the correct option here is option number A, Lisa Lambeth. Next question, question number 11. O lady, we receive but what we give, and in our life alone does nature lie. In which of the following poem the above line occurs? So read the lines carefully twice. Here, क्रिस्टाबेल के तो नहीं है ये, नो डाउट कुबला खान, क्रिस्टाबेल, हमें लाइंस हमें याद होनी चाहिए. Not all the lines, but at least the opening lines. Even the frost of midnight का भी नहीं. So dejection and ode. It is the correct option. Question number 12. Who claimed English as a Saraswati's gift to India? तो ये C राजगोपालचारी ने कहा था सरस्वती का गिफ्ट टू इंडिया है इंग्लिश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप एज दलित in the newly independent India. Listen carefully. The autobiographical experience of growing up as Dalit in the newly independent India 1950s, whose title signifies scrap of food left on a plate, is the story of. When you have the question, the bigger question, then we can break the question. है ना, छोटा छोटा बना के हम पढ़ सकते हैं, and then we got the idea how to solve it. So the Om Prakash Valmiki, कांचा इलाई, नामदेव ढसाल, मनोरंजन बाजपाई. So the correct option is here we have the Om Prakash Valmiki. The term cultural materialism was coined by, obviously the option number D, Raymond Williams is correct here, and Om Prakash Valmiki is correct here. Next question, question number 15. Francis Lyotard is associated with post-colonialism, post-modernism, historicism. देखो, जब हम literary theory and criticism पढ़ेंगे ना, we should have the idea which writer categorize which kind of the group or the post-colonialism or the post-modernism rather belongs to the historicism or the cultural study. So we have the answer here. He related to the post-modernism. B is the correct here. Next question 16. Which of the following is not a short story by Edgar Allan Poe? Okay. Which one is not a short story of Edgar Allan Poe that was published in Graham's magazine? Murder in the Rue Morgue, The Mosque of the Red Death, The IMP of the Perverse, or The Philosophy of Composition. So the correct answer is here that I have a doubt, but still the D is correct here. Perverse or the philosophy of composition. Which of the following poem was not written by Nizam Ezekiel? Night of the Scorpion, no doubt उनकी पोम है. The Professor, Professor किसकी पोम है? Again we have here Professor. उसके बाद हमारा ऑप्शन है After Midnight, and after that there is a Time to Change. तो यहाँ पे ये भी निज़ाम एज़ेकियल की पोम है. After Midnight भी उनकी है. The Professor नहीं, आफ्टर मिडनाइट उनकी पोम नहीं है, तो सी हमारा करेक्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, हुज कॉमिक फार्स इंग्लिश मैन इन पेरिस कंटेस्टेड द फील्ड विद द सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी. सो लेट्स सी. आई थिंक एक क्वेश्चन हमने ड्रॉप आउट कर ली. नहीं, ओके. Whose comic farce Englishman in Paris contested the field with the sentimental comedy. तो sentimental comedy से हम आरबी शेरिडन भी है, पर यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में देखते हैं हेनरी कैरी, जॉर्ज लिलो, सैमुअल फूट is the correct option here. C is the correct here. In the sentence, the truth is that he did not attend the classes. Okay. The underlying linguistic unit function as. Linguistic का क्वेश्चन हम इसे बोल सकते हैं, तो ये क्या है? देखो, in the sentence the truth is that he did not, so the correct option is complement. D is correct here. Next, case study method believe that. So the case, all men share common problem, all men share common nature, all men share common fate, all men share common interest. So the correct option is B, all men share common nature. Next, 21. Charlotte Perkins Gilman wrote a book entitled. So the correct option is D, yellow wallpaper. ये पहले भी क्वेश्चन आया था, आई थिंक 13 या 14 के सेट एग्जाम में सेम क्वेश्चन था. ऑथर पूछा गया था द येलो पेपर, और वो किसने लिखा है. अब उल्टा पूछा है, राइटर दिया है गिलमन एंड उसका टाइटल पूछा है हमें. ओके. नेक्स्ट, व्हाई कंप्यूटर प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन डूइंग रिसर्च? बिकॉज इट्स वैरायलिटी, because it's sophistication, because it is easy availability, because it is easy handling. So the correct option, it is just because of its sophistication. Next question. Post-coloniality for Homi Bhabha in the location of culture 1994 is a salutary reminder of. Post-coloniality for Homi Bhabha in the location of culture, nation and narration, the location of culture, it's related to the Bhabha. तो ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. द authentication of the unambiguous histories of the decolonial movement, the persistent neoclassical relation with the new world order and the multinational division of labor. Okay. Next, the need to monologic rather than the endless elaboration, hybridity, ये नहीं हो सकता. The constitution of the field of the stabilization, that is knowledge outside the representation. So the correct option here B, the persistence neo-colonial relation with the new world order and the multinational division of labor. Next, last question इस वीडियो में देखेंगे, that there are differences in language has been propounded by. So the correct option यहाँ पे difference in language has been propounded by. Answer could be Chomsky also and Ferdinand de Saussure. Let's see, but the correct option हम अगर देखें correctly तो Chomsky. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं आगे का क्वेश्चन भी, क्योंकि इसके कॉन्सेप्ट जो मैं क्लियर करूंगी, क्योंकि हमने ये जो सिर्फ क्या बोलेंगे आंसर मैंने क्लिक करके दिए आप लोगों को, इससे रिलेटेड है ना, जो जो ऑथर आपको लगते हैं कि हमने नहीं पढ़े हैं या नहीं पढ़ाए जा रहे, उस पर हम वीडियो बनाएंगे, या होमी भाभा का कॉन्सेप्ट एंड ऑल थिंग्स वी विल सी. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राहुल द हीरो ऑफ बहाबनी भट्टाचार्य novel So Many Hungers begins his conversation on Gandhiism and regret about his neo participation in dash. So it is the correct option is World War II. Next question. Who leads the conspirator in the hatching the plot of murdering Julius Caesar? Cassius. Okay, the person is Cassius. Whose essay are called Infinite Reaches in Little Room? Christopher Marlowe, Thomas Nash, Francis Bacon, Charles Lamb. So the correct option is that yes, ऐसे related है Francis Bacon. Gynocriticism is term related to. Gynocriticism term किससे relate करता है? Modernism से, postmodernism से, obviously feminism से. Gynocriticism आ रहा है तो it's related with the feminism. Who has written the collection of short stories entitled The Cow of the Barricades? Very famous, या इसमें ऐसा डिफिकल्ट कुछ भी नहीं था. राजा राव का, अगर हम राजा राव को पढ़ते हैं, उनकी क्रोनोलॉजी भी अपने पढ़ रखी है, तो उनके जो शॉर्ट वर्क्स हैं, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, उसमें द काउज ऑफ द बैरिकेड्स बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी है. नेक्स्ट, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोम्स डज द पोएटिक लाइन इफ विंटर कम्स कैन स्प्रिंग बी फार बिहाइंड? बहुत साल बाद ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है, एंड बीए की स्टडी करते हैं हम, तब जब हम पोम होता है तो ये सेंटेंस मेरे तो प्रोफेसर ने मुझे अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीटेडली पढ़ा था. इफ विंटर कम्स कैन स्प्रिंग बी फार बिहाइंड. सो द इजी वन क्वेश्चन एंड द आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ओड टू द वेस्ट विंड. नेक्स्ट, who published one of the most influential work on moral philosophy entitled Sovereignty of Good and Other Concepts? James Joyce, Samuel Beckett, Irish Murdoch, or Henrik Ibsen? So the correct is Irish Murdoch. Next question. the concept feminine, feminist and female are introduced by? So this concept is given to us in 1979 by Ellen Showalter. Feminine, feminist and female. Next, which of the following poem was written by Ezra Pound? So the correct option is here, The Return. The Return. Next question. The decline of spirit of the Elizabethan drama begins with the work of. So the correct option is here, Ben Jonson. P is correct here. In the sentence 10,000 saw I at a glance, the phrase 10,000 has been. So the correct option is that foregrounded. Why foregrounded? Because highlighted word जो हम देखते हैं ना 10,000 and रीडुप्लीकेटेड में रिपीटेशन होगा, ब्लेंडेड में दो वर्ड मिक्स हो जाएंगे, जैसे है ना फॉग और स्मोक को मिलके स्मोक बन जाएगा, और क्लिप में क्या हो जाएगा, कट करेंगे और जोड़ेंगे हम इसे, है ना, जैसे लंच और ब्रेकफास्ट का मिला के ब्रंच बना देंगे, लाइक दैट. क्लिप ब्लेंडेड क्या होता है, क्लिप क्या होता है, रीडुप्लीकेटेड क्या होता है, इसकी मैंने अलग से वीडियो बनाई है. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो आप मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब करके प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं, आपको मिल जाएगा. फोरग्राउंडेड हाईलाइटेड वर्ड. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Arrange the following book in the order in which they appeared. Use the code given below. Politics, The State of Revelation, The Republic, Leviathan. अगर आपका पॉलिटिकल साइंस का भी नॉलेज होता ना तो भी रिपब्लिक एंड लेविएथन थॉमस हॉब्स का है, हमें पता होता है, बट हमें क्या अरेंज करना है यहाँ पे, ऑर्डर्स में लगाने. ये बुक हमें क्या लगाना है, ऑर्डर में. तो थर्ड बुक पहले आ जाएगा, मतलब रिपब्लिक ये पहले आ जाएगा, फिर आ जाएगा हमारा पॉलिटिक्स. ओके, क्योंकि रिपब्लिक हमारा प्लेटो का है, पॉलिटिक्स एरिस्टोटल का है, ये थॉमस हॉब्स का है. तो थर्ड, वन, फोर्थ एंड सेकेंड लास्ट में आएगा द स्टेट ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन यहाँ पे हमारा हो जाएगा बी. ओके, इसको थोड़ा ऊपर लेती हूं मैं. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. विच टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च इज एग्जिट पोल सर्वे? तो इट इज अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव रिसर्च. इट इज अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव रिसर्च. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एसोसिएटेड विद द जूलिया क्रिस्टेवा attempt to combine Saussurean and Bakhtin theories of language and literature. The conceptual term argues that any text is constructed as a mosaic of quotation. Any text is the absorption of the transformation of another. So the correct option क्या हो जाएगा? Ericture, discourse, heteroglossia or intertextual. So the correct option is intertextual. Which of the following novel has theme of Gandhiji village based economy? So the Murugan, the thriller. Correct option is A. Who is the author of Arcadia? Arcadia किसका है? Obviously ये फिलिप सिडने का है. फिलिप सिडने पे मैंने वीडियो बना रखी है, आप नए हैं तो देख लो. What did the Marlowe's protagonist of the Dr. Faustus ask Mephistopheles to bring the amuse him during the final days? Dr. Faustus की last wish या last during the final years की उसकी wish क्या है? 7 deadly sins. क्या चाहता है वो? Cleopatra of the Egypt, Paramore or the Helen of Troy? So the correct option is here, Helen of Troy. D is correct. Next, which of the following poem was not written by W.B. Yeats? The Rose of the World, Byzantium, The Second Coming, For a Dead Lady. So the For a Dead Lady is the correct option. Next question, the novel which portrayed the ebb and flow of the mind of the character which referred as. So it is the correct option. यहाँ पे हमें easily मिल जाएगा, Stream of Consciousness. Ericture feminine is advocated by whom? So the ericture is the Helen Sexos. B is correct here. Key figure of the so-called Frankfurt School that relocated under threat from the Nazis, who explored culture through the combining Marxist and the psychoanalytic theories and argue that commodity culture is the form of mass deception, is Friedrich Nietzsche, Theodor Adorno, Peru Bourdieu और Michel Foucault. So the correct option हमारा यहाँ पे हो जाएगा Theodor Adorno. Okay, so this is how I covered the 45 questions. Remaining question we will see in the upcoming video.